Okay folks, this is a quick install on the Maximus Remote Tuning equipment for a steel frame bike. As you can see, this is a kingpin steel frame. We're going to want to insert that wideband sensor into that front exhaust header, run it over this way, zip tie it to somewhere in this area. Typically this connector is either going to be colored or it'll have a piece of tape on it for the front connector lead. Drape it over your ignition switch area there. When you put the cheese wedge on, it'll hold that cable in place. Move over to the rear. Again, install your sensor into the rear header. Come up, bring the two together, come around, and then at some point in this seat area here, you're going to want to drape all of these cables up and over, not through the frame, okay, around, up and over. We don't want any of those cables to touch that hot exhaust on that bike, okay. Once you get this secured up here, jump over, go across to the other side. When you get to this side, take a few zip ties, zip tie the Maximus module itself to the fender strut itself. Wideband also somewhere along that same area of the fender strut. A couple of zip ties keeps them from flopping in the wind. You've got enough slack at this point to connect up to the diagnostic port of the bike. Okay. The wideband will connect up to the Maximus. The Maximus will connect up to the bike. The Maximus will also connect USB up to the computer itself through that USB cord. Okay. Once all of that is connected up and it's plugged into the laptop, we warm up the bike and I set you up for your first log ride. Okay. When you're done with all that, call me back. Bye.